like to start my ear lines at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Since we already created a barred line for the side taper, we could just move on to debulking using our 2-guard all the way open. Now we're creating our second guideline with the no guard all the way open. Once you're done erasing your initial guideline, you can move on to your 1 guard all the way open and create your second guideline. Now that you're done using the no guard and the 1 guard, you can move on to your 2 guard all the way open and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now we're using the 3 guard all the way open to remove the bulk and connect it to the top half. Heading back to our clipper over comb, we're grabbing the hair with the comb and cutting it with the clipper vertically. Going back to our trimmers, we're going to finish off the side neckline's arch. Before we start the hairline, we're going to prepare the hairline. So you wanted this front line a little bit thicker, so we're taking out some hairs and making it a little bit thicker. Removing these hairs will help his hair push back. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now we're moving on to our shear work to solidify the pushback silhouette. Using the shears near this bulk area is very important. You don't want the fade to be rigid. You want the fade to be as smooth as possible. Now we're moving a little bit of bulk with our clip orbital comb. Detailing the back taper with our no guard all the way open. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible. We're also going to do his eyebrows.